If you think fish finders are cheating or unnecessary technology that real anglers don't need, you're probably also the person who returns home empty-handed, wondering why fishing was so much better in the old days. Number 1. Garmin Striker Fish Finder. The Garmin Striker Fish Finder represents Garmin's entry-level offering that democratizes fish finding technology for anglers previously priced out of electronics market. This unit delivers core functionality that transforms fishing from guesswork into informed decision-making process. The display clarity impresses immediately with sharp imagery that remains readable under bright sunlight that washes out inferior screens completely. The interface design reflects decades of user experience refinement, presenting information intuitively without overwhelming novices with excessive complexity or cryptic symbology requiring constant manual consultation. The sonar technology utilizes chirp, compressed high-intensity radiated pulse, that dramatically improves target separation compared to traditional sonar. This advancement allows distinguishing individual fish within schools rather than seeing amorphous blobs that could be anything. Number 2. Garmin Striker Vivid Fish Finder. The Garmin Striker Vivid Fish Finder elevates the Striker line through enhanced display technology that transforms underwater viewing experience dramatically. This unit addresses primary complaint about basic fish finders through vivid color palettes that increase contrast and detail recognition significantly. The 7 color schemes allow customization for different lighting conditions and personal preferences, ensuring optimal visibility whether fishing dawn, midday, or dusk. The display resolution increases over base Striker models, revealing finer details that help distinguish fish species by size and behavior patterns. The sonar capabilities expand beyond entry-level offerings with enhanced chirp technology, providing even better target separation. The side scanning capability reveals structure and fish to sides of boat, in addition to directly below, dramatically expanding coverage area with each pass. This feature proves invaluable when searching large areas for concentrations of fish or specific structure types. The down imaging complements traditional sonar with photographic clarity, showing stumps, rocks, and vegetation as recognizable objects rather than abstract arches. Number 3. Lowrance Elite FS Fish Finder. The Lowrance Elite FS Fish Finder represents serious tournament-grade technology packaged at pricing accessible to dedicated recreational anglers. This unit incorporates features previously exclusive to professional-level systems that cost thousands more. The touchscreen interface revolutionizes operation with smartphone-like responsiveness that feels natural to modern users. The display quality rivals premium tablets with brightness and clarity that remain stunning under harsh conditions. The processing power handles multiple sonar technologies simultaneously, without lag or hesitation that would miss fleeting opportunities. The fish reveal technology combines chirp sonar with downscan imaging on single screen, overlaying fish arches onto photographic structure images. This fusion eliminates confusion about whether targets are fish or structure, dramatically improving decision-making. The Active Target Live sonar option, sold separately, shows real-time fish movement like underwater video game, revealing how fish react to lures and allowing presentation adjustments mid-cast. This technology transforms fishing from reactive to proactive pursuit. Number 4. HTP Underwater Fishing Camera. The HTP Underwater Fishing Camera takes fundamentally different approach to finding fish by showing actual video footage rather than sonar interpretation. This technology eliminates uncertainty inherent in translating sonar returns into mental pictures of underwater environment. The high-definition camera reveals fish species, sizes, and behaviors with clarity that educates as it locates. The infrared lighting illuminates depths and nighttime conditions where natural light cannot penetrate, extending usability beyond daylight hours and shallow water. The monitor displays real-time video allowing observation of how fish react to presentations. This capability revolutionizes ice fishing, where stationary viewing position permits watching fish approach, inspect, and either take or refuse offerings. The learning opportunities prove invaluable as patterns emerge about what triggers strikes versus what spooks fish. The recording function captures footage for later review and analysis, or simply entertainment value of reliving exciting moments. Number 5. Lowrance Eagle Eye Fish Finder. The Lowrance Eagle Eye Fish Finder pushes technological boundaries with integration of multiple advanced fish finding technologies in cohesive package. This unit represents current pinnacle of recreational fish finder capabilities before crossing into commercial-grade systems. The large touchscreen display provides ample space for multiple simultaneous views without compromising individual window sizes. The processing power handles complex computations required for advanced sonar modes, without delays that would miss fast-moving fish or structure. The active imaging combines 3 scanning technologies: chirp sonar, side scan, and down scan, providing comprehensive underwater picture from all angles. The detail resolution reveals small features like brush piles, individual rocks, and baitfish schools with remarkable clarity. The range capabilities extend to sides significantly, covering swaths of water that would require multiple passes with basic fish finders. This efficiency saves time when searching large areas for concentrations of fish. The Fish Reveal Smart Target technology uses artificial intelligence to identify and highlight fish automatically, eliminating false readings from debris or noise. The system learns through usage, improving accuracy over time. Number 6. Venterior Portable Rechargeable Fish Finder. The Venterior Portable Rechargeable Fish Finder serves niche of anglers needing ultra-portable solution for fishing situations where traditional fish finders prove impractical. This unit prioritizes mobility and simplicity over comprehensive feature sets, recognizing that basic fish finding capability beats no information regardless of limitations. The castable transducer design revolutionizes shore fishing by allowing scanning areas beyond casting range of lures. The wireless connection eliminates cables that would tangle during casting and retrieval. The smartphone app interface leverages device most anglers already carry, eliminating dedicated display that adds bulk and cost. The app presents sonar data clearly with depth readings, fish icons, and basic bottom contour information. The interpretation algorithms simplify display for users unfamiliar with traditional sonar imagery. The battery life provides hours of operation from single charge, adequate for typical fishing session. The versatility allows use from shore, kayak, float tube, or dock without installation requirements. The portability means traveling light to remote locations without significant weight penalty. The setup involves simply powering on and casting, with connection establishing automatically. The learning curve essentially non-existent for anyone capable of operating smartphone applications. Number 7. Lowrance Eaglefish Finder. The Lowrance Eaglefish Finder provides balanced entry into Lowrance ecosystem at pricing that makes brand's legendary reliability accessible broadly. This unit delivers essential fish finding capabilities without advanced features that would overwhelm beginners or inflate cost unnecessarily. The display quality maintains Lowrance standards with sunlight-readable screen that presents information clearly. The button interface provides tactile control preferred by some anglers over touchscreens that can frustrate with wet hands or gloves. The sonar technology includes downscan imaging revealing structure detail that basic sonar cannot match. The photographic clarity shows bottom composition, vegetation, and suspended fish distinctly. The chirp sonar provides improved target separation, allowing distinguishing individual fish and identifying sizes. The split-screen capability displays traditional sonar alongside down imaging simultaneously for comprehensive understanding. The GPS functionality marks waypoints and creates track log documenting productive areas. The basic mapping shows general lake shape and depth contours, though not rivaling premium detailed charts. The navigation features allow returning to saved spots accurately without memorizing landmarks. The speed and temperature displays provide data useful for technique selection. The installation simplicity mirrors other Lowrance products with straightforward mounting and wiring. The transducer provides reliable performance without complex setup procedures. The power draw remains modest, allowing use with standard boat batteries without concerns. The unit durability withstands typical fishing conditions with water-resistant construction. The limitations include smaller screen compared to premium models and lack of advanced networking features. The processing speed adequate, though not matching higher-end units' instantaneous responsiveness. The mapping basic without crowdsourced data or custom map creation capabilities. The value proposition strong for anglers wanting proven brand reliability without premium pricing. The upgrade path exists within Lowrance family as skills and needs evolve. The user interface familiarity transfers to more advanced units if upgrading later. When brand reputation and reliability matter as much as immediate capabilities, does an entry-level option from industry leader deserve consideration over unknown brands at similar pricing?